Hello children. In this video, we will be covering the NCERT exercises and solutions of the chapter, Super Senses. Let us see the questions page-wise. Exercises given on page number 2 are: Think and tell. How did the ant know that the other ants were not from its group? Ants and other animals also have different senses. They can see, hear, smell, and feel. Due to different senses, the ant could know that other ants were not from its group. How did the guard ant recognize this ant? The guard ant could recognize this ant because of smell. Next exercise on page 2 is: try this and write. Drop some sugar, jaggery or anything sweet on the ground. Wait until the ants come there. How long did it take for the ants to come? It took about 15 to 20 minutes for ants to come. Did one ant come first? Or a group of ants came together? One ant came first, followed by a group of ants. What did the ants do with the food? The ants carried the food to their hole. Where do they go from there? They go to their hole from there. Do they move in a line? Yes, they move in a line. Exercises on page 3 are: now carefully, without harming the ants, block their path for a while with a pencil. Now, observe, how do the ants move? Ants climb up on the pencil. They still move in a line. Now, can you guess why? The ants behaved like that when you blocked their path. As the ant moves, it leaves a smell on the ground. The other ants follow this smell to find the way. Thus, when their path was blocked, ants tried to maintain their path by following the smell. Have you ever been troubled by mosquitoes? Just think. How do they know where you are? Mosquitoes can recognize the smell of our body. They can also recognize us by the heat from our body. Have you seen a dog sniffing here and there? What do you think it is trying to smell? Yes, I have seen a dog sniffing here and there. A dog can make out the presence of another dog in the area by smelling its urine or feces. The dog usually smells to find out if a new dog has come in the area. The exercises of page 4 are: write. In what ways do human beings make use of this special sense of smell of dogs? This special sense of smell of dogs is used by humans in many ways. Some examples are as follows: A. For catching criminals. B. For detecting stolen goods. C. For detecting bombs. When do you find your sense of smell helpful to you? List some examples. Like, to know by its smell that food has gone bad, or that something is burning. Apart from smelling bad food or a burning object, we can also recognize the smell of following: tasty food, perfume, incense sticks, flowers, sweaty clothes, gas leak in the kitchen, etc. Write the names of 5 things whose smell you like and 5 things whose smell you do not like. I like the smell of food, perfume, flowers, incense stick, and fresh air. I do not like the smell of garbage, dead fish, cow dung, smell from urinal, stale air. Do you and your friends have similar answers? Yes, Our answers are similar. Exercises of page 5 are: discuss. Do the clothes of any of your family members smell? Whose? Yes, sweat on the clothes of my father smell because he comes from outside. Did you ever come across any smell in a crowded place such as a fair, bus, train, etc.? Yes, I could smell in the smoke coming from the bus. Students, this was it for this video. We will continue with NCERT exercises and solutions of EVS chapter, Super Senses, in the second part of this video.